All right, just a quick little video to tell you what this little assignment's all about. For Lab 2, we're doing Question Your World. This you do not need to use the sample lab report for. It's basically getting you to have a chance to start asking yourself lots of different questions. The first thing you want to do is go outside. Nature's best, but wherever you are is good. And then look around, observe what you see, look at all of the details, the tiny little things as well as the big things, everything from looking at what that squirrel is doing to why is the sun shining, why is the sky blue, anything that you want. So look at the big picture, look at the little things, look at how everything is working together. And then I want you to formulate 20 questions based on what you see. It can be anything. Be as creative as you can. And I want you to write those down. That's the first thing you need to write down for this assignment. Next, look at those questions and see if you can actually research those and you can actually learn more about it. If you realize that there's a question that cannot be answered by science at all, try rephrasing it and re-asking it so that you have 20 questions on there that you could actually do a scientific experiment on. Then pick one of those 20 questions and think of several different possible answers. So write those down as those answers. You can do a scratch if you want, and then write them as scientific hypotheses so that you're actually saying, something that can be tested. So rather than, I wonder why this is happening, say, I hypothesize or I'm guessing that the sky is blue because of the oxygen molecules that are up there. Once you've actually done a number of those, you have a couple different hypotheses. Pick one of those hypotheses and list some predictions. What do you expect to see? How would you know you're right? How could you actually go and do science and understand this a little bit better? So what you're going to be having to submit to me is those 20 questions that are all questions that can be answered by science, one question with several possible answers, one hypothesis with a number of different predictions. I hope you enjoy this. It really should be a fun experiment, and you might even find something that you want to do some more studying on. Thanks.